Hello kids! In this video, we're going to learn about materials. The objects in the kitchen are made from different materials. Can you identify the materials used to make each of the objects? Each material has different properties. What are the properties of the materials that make them suitable to make these objects for our daily use? Properties of materials. The hardness of a material is the ability of the material to withstand scratches. We can scratch an object with another object to know if it is hard. An object made of a hard material can scratch and leave a scratch mark on an object that is made of a softer material. This cutting board is made of wood. What object could have left the scratch marks on the cutting board? What material is the object made of? Let's know more. Diamond is one of the hardest known materials on Earth. Elasticity of a material is the ability of the material to return to its original shape and size after being stretched. Stretch a rubber band and then release it. The rubber band will return to its original size and shape. We say the rubber band is elastic. Balloons are made of rubber. When we blow air into it, the shape of the balloon changes and the balloon becomes big. When we release the air, the balloon will return to its original shape and size. The balloon is elastic. Heat conductivity of a material is the ability of the material to allow heat to pass through it. Materials that allow heat to pass through them are called heat conductors. Metals are good heat conductors. Materials such as wood, plastic, and rubber do not allow heat to pass through them easily. They are known as heat insulators. Look at the kettle. Which part is a heat conductor? Which part is a heat insulator? Why are they so? Look at the kettle. Which part is a heat conductor? Which part is a heat insulator? Why are they so? Look at the oven mitten. What materials that it made of? Look at the oven mitten. What material does it made of? Is the material a heat conductor or a heat insulator? How is it useful to us? The electrical conductivity of a material is the ability of the material to allow electricity to pass through it. Electrical conductors allow electricity to pass through them. When an iron nail is connected to an electrical circuit, the bulb will light up. We say that the iron nail is an electrical conductor. Some materials do not allow electricity to pass through them. We call them electrical insulators. For example, an eraser is an electrical insulator. When we connect an eraser to an electrical circuit, the bulb will not light up. Uses of materials. In daily life, different materials are chosen to make a certain objects because their properties match with the uses. Why is metal used to make knives? Metal is hard. We use knife to cut other things, such as apples. Copper is used to make electrical wires because it is good electrical conductor. Plastic is used to wrap the copper wires because it is good electrical insulator. Wool is used to make winter clothes. Wool is a heat insulator. It helps to keep us warm by trapping our body heat. Rubber band. Rubber is used to make hair bands. Rubber is used to make hair bands. Rubber is elastic. It can be stretched to tie hair and hold the hair in place. It returns to its original shape and size when it is released. The body of the frying pan is made of metal. Metal is a heat conductor. It allows the heat to reach the egg and cook the egg. The handle of the frying pan is made of plastic, and the spatula is made of wood. Wood and plastic are heat insulators. They can protect our hand from the heat while cooking. Thanks!